Hello everyone, this is Anmol Agrawal from Style the Tish. Let's just wait for a few people to connect with us and maybe then we can start with an elaborative and a great session on table styling wherein I'll be giving you small tips and tricks on table styling. So yes, we can see that people are joining us. So guys, I am Anmol Agrawal from Style the Tish. I would firstly like to thank $1 Million Affair for giving me such a great opportunity to connect with all of you and for sharing the screen with us. I would also like to talk a lot on table styling today because we have our upcoming workshop on table styling which is on 24th of April, which is this Friday. So whenever one hears the name Style the Tish, a lot of people wonder that what is Style the Tish all about. So Tish is a German word which means table. So Style the Tish is the art of table styling wherein we actually teach you the art of setting the table with various kind of variations and creations that you can do at home. So yes, here is and we also sell theme based table setups along with the theme based crockeries that we have at home and how can we utilize it in multiple ways. Style the Tish has been co-founded by me and by my mom. So, it involves practicality along with the aesthetics of the brand. We always make sure that our clients are delivered the best and they are served with the best that has to be done. During the lockdown period and during the COVID 19, we do have a lot of people who are absolutely stressed and who are disturbed by being caught at home and doing nothing. At this hour, I think something like table styling is a very unique idea to cultivate your interest and to give in your time to this because we do have a lot of celebrations and birthdays happening around, and when we have celebrations and birthdays at home we do wonder that how can we make that someone feel a little more special. So through table styling, through a lot of techniques that we actually tell you, you can create great ideas and you can put a lot of love and effort. We put in so much of love and effort in the food that we cook, and I personally know so many people around who have been experimenting with their food and who have been cooking so much. So through table styling, why not put a little more effort in the art of setting the table and making the table look gorgeous? That gives a different appeal to your event overall. Now I'll be talking about my workshop which is on 24th of April. On 24th of April we will be adding the paid participants on a WhatsApp group wherein we'll be sharing a very detailed videos on table styling. So the first video will be on the day-to-day table styling that we do. The second video will be on an elaborative buffet setup. The third video will be on the spread of runners and mats and how can we play around with these things. The fourth video will be a very quick DIY wherein we can create the accessories at home. And the fifth video will be on how can we create and how can we play with a lot of centerpieces. So the fifth video will have 5 different kind of centerpieces that we can have at home with us and that we can create from the things that are already available at home. So today I'm gonna give you small tips and tricks on how can you go around while styling your table. So here goes my first trick that I'm gonna tell you, which is on napkin folding. So as you can see, here's a red napkin, a very beautiful red napkin that we have. Now I'm quickly gonna create something out of it. You see, this is a fork I have. I'm just gonna keep the fork in the center and I'm gonna start twisting and twirling it, keeping my one hand here. So when I start twisting and twirling it, you will see something excellent that will come up once I release the fork. I have to make sure that I hold this in hand. Now I get my plate and my bowl in the center, and you see this is a very beautiful rose that we have created. I'm gonna place it nicely on the bowl. It's a very quick DIY that I have done in less than 10 seconds, and if I want I can place a leaf right here. So you see this is how it looks extremely pretty. If I want I can also add a name card holder to it, so one can also just add this name card holder and you see that it looks extremely pretty, extremely adorable. So yeah, this is how you can create very quick things at home with the workshops that we keep conducting, and we with the table setups that we keep selling. Now coming on to the second tip on table styling, I would honestly recommend you that if you have a glass tabletop, like here you see we have a glass tabletop, so for the day to day table setup, make sure that you keep your that you keep the natural color of your table pop out, and don't use a tablecloths for the day-to-day purposes, because you would want the beauty of your regular table to be enhanced. But whenever you're doing a theme-based table styling, always stick to one theme while doing your table styling. That theme can be with respect to event, or that theme can be with respect to the different color combinations that we do. So whenever you do a theme-based table styling, make sure you use a tablecloth or a runner. Reason being, whenever you use a tablecloth or a runner of a monocolor, it enhances the color of the different accessories and of the different centerpieces that we place on the table. So the use of tablecloth and runner is extremely relevant whenever we style our table. Number third tip would be that yes, do use a lot of candles and play around with floral arrangements, because it adds a different aroma altogether to your entire table setup. And when it comes to the height of the centerpieces, I would recommend that if there is a sit down dinner, keep the height of the centerpieces low, so that the people communicating have extremely no hindrance and they can communicate very easily. But while you are doing a buffet, you can definitely play a lot with the heights of the centerpieces as well as with the heights of the crockeries by using risers. So risers lay a very important role in the upcoming workshop that is on 24th of April. We are going to teach people how can you play around with the risers and how can you make the risers at home with the things that you have at home. One of the most common riser that probably we all know is the stack of books. For more details, you can feel free to contact us, and if you're interested in our table styling workshop, then please drop down your comments below and we will personally reach out to you with all the possible details. Our contact number is 9630063330, and the mode of payment is through by bank transfer or via Paytm. I'm extremely glad that I have connected to so many people via a $1 million affair. And I would say that, for instance, there was a theme that we did last year, which was a breakfast in bed theme that we did it for the Father's Day. And it is so good that we have clients who got this theme from us last year, and they have been utilizing it during the lockdown to surprise their loved ones. So we keep on coming with these new themes. For instance, now that summers are approaching, we have a summer theme. We recently got done with our spring theme. And yes, guys, one extremely important thing, we also customize the table setups and the themes as per your home decor. So it's not that we are just into dining decor. Yes, dining decor is our forte, but we are also into coffee table, console table styling, side table styling. So we are a place under one roof where you can get each and every kind of table style. So all you have to do is you just have to share the picture of your table and the little interiors of your home, and we will make sure that we get the best centerpieces and the best accessories of the table provided to you in the budget that you desire for. So this is what Style the Dish is all about. Apart from giving a lot of tips and apart from holding workshops, we sell crockeries as per the themes that we already sell. So we also have themes as per the different occasions that come up. So for instance, for something like Diwali, we have our Diwali theme. We also have a theme for Rakhi, Holi, Sawan, for monsoon, for a baby shower, for multiple occasions. And if we don't have a theme for your purpose, you can always get it customized through what you want in mind and through what you have in mind. So speaking again about the workshop, I would say that the seats are extremely limited, and on 24th April it's at 3 p.m. and it's on WhatsApp. So please connect to us for the further details of the workshop. Our Instagram page is a lot more active. It's by the name of Style the Tish, and which is STYLEDETISCH. As I told you before, Tish means table. So please do not get confused that what is Style the Tish all about. It is everything about table styling. You can get everything styled by us. And if you have any more questions, then please feel free to drop in the questions in the comment section below, because we will answer all the questions to you right now, wherein I am especially on live with $1 million affair. So if there's anything, please reach out to us now, and I'm waiting for all the things that you can ask. Also, guys, one more very important thing: make sure that whenever you design your table styling, or whenever you do a kind of setup you want to for your guests who arrive at home, make sure that the color combination of the crockeries play a very important role. So let's say if you have done something of a rustic kind, then you can't really put in your modern crockeries because they don't go together at all. So make sure the crockery placement is always complementing the kind of table styling that you have been doing, because crockeries and the placement of the food, the placement of the entire table, everything goes hand in hand. So there's nothing that you can just leave on thinking कि नहीं ये तो इसके बिना भी हो जाएगा. Everything has to be very well coordinated and connected. So during the lockdown, I think yes, table styling is very good, because your kids, I know so many kids who have their online schools, and even after their online schools, they do get free. So parents really wonder that what do we make our kids do apart from the free time. So like I told you, this was a quick napkin fold that I showed you 5 minutes back, wherein you just can, with a fork, you can twirl the napkin and you can make a beautiful rose out of it. So you can keep your kids entertained through such activities at home. You can make sure your kids also engage in something in the art of table styling, wherein they don't get carried away by the Western culture, and we do rejuvenate the culture of Atiti Devo Bhava, wherein we make our guest feel extremely special, and we make our guest acknowledge that their presence means a lot to us, and we do it through this art of styling. We spend so much, we spend 40,000-50,000 for an event that happens at home or that takes place at home. But probably if you buy one of the themes from Style the Tish of the same range, you can use the same theme multiple times in different kinds of style, with different kinds of images and different kinds of tips that we provide you with. So it is a very affordable thing at a great range that we are providing you, and our workshop is more affordable because in just ₹1,000 we are providing you a lot of tips and tricks. Probably sitting at home, there's nothing during the time of lockdown and being bored, there's nothing more that you can do. So why not join us for the workshop and make the most of this boredom? If there's something more that you want to speak to us, then please feel free to have a direct word with us. I would again like to repeat my contact number. It is 9630063330. The mode of payment for the workshop would be via Paytm or via bank transfer. And yes, once again, thank you so much for joining with us today and for giving an ear to the entire concept of table styling. I hope that Style the Tish, because Style the Tish is the result of the minds of two different generations. It is the result of the efforts of two different generations, which is me and my mom. So there is a lot of things that has been involved, wherein practicality meets the aesthetics at point. So yes, guys, this is it for today. If you like us, please follow our page and please give us more love. And we are extremely excited to have you all here with us. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay home, take care, and have a great day. Thanks a lot.